Get ready for some giraffe gossip. Baby giraffes are more hardcore than you think. When a baby giraffe is born, it drops 6 feet to the ground. Ouch! But don't worry, they're tough cookies. Within just an hour, these little guys are already up on their wobbly legs. And guess what? They can run faster than your average human by the time they're just a day old. Talk about hitting the ground running. But life's not all fun and games. Baby giraffes face predators like lions and hyenas. Luckily, their mums are real-life superheroes, standing guard and kicking up a storm to protect them. Here's a fun fact. Baby giraffes have unique spots, just like human fingerprints. No two giraffes are exactly alike. So next time you see a giraffe, remember they're not just tall, they're born survivors. Stay curious, animal lovers, and that's your minute of giraffe greatness.